Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, we're doing a series, Money Mondays. This is episode 2. Grab your coffee, grab your tea, whatever you like to drink in the morning.
And we're gonna get into these remote jobs. So today I have 4 remote jobs for you that do not require a degree. So let's get into the jobs. Number 1 is called Boldly. And so what this company is hiring for is an executive assistant position. And they are not looking for you to have a degree, but they are looking for very strong communication skills and very, very strong organizational skills. So if you really like to organize, you really like all the things of doing your calendar, doing emails, organizing projects, then definitely check this one out. The pay range for this is around $16 to $35 an hour. And so that wide range, I really think is coming from the fact that they do kind of want you to have some experience. So maybe if you have no experience, they'll put you on the lower end. And maybe if you have more experience, they'll put you on the higher end. Definitely check this company out. It's called Boldly. So this next company number 2 is called Belay. What this company is hiring for is virtual assistants, virtual bookkeepers, and virtual social media managers. If this is something that you like to do, organize, do calendars, scheduling, email responses, work on specific projects, then definitely check this one out. The range for this is $20 to $30 an hour, and this is based on your experience, but they do not require a degree. Parents say this is really good for them because there is a lot of flexibility. So before I get to the next one, go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button. It lets YouTube know that you guys like this type of content, and share this video if you think that these jobs will be good for somebody that you know. So again, we're doing a series. I'm trying to do 4 episodes, but if it all goes well, maybe I'll add some more. It's called Money Mondays, so you'll see a video from me every Monday, remote jobs topic. Really quick, I got a comment the other day that says, why do you spend all of your time looking for remote jobs, and why are all your videos recently about remote jobs? It's because a lot of people think that a remote job is something that they cannot get. Like it's the unicorn, and now that 2020 is over, then there's no more remote jobs. There are companies that strictly are remote, and even after 2020 and 21, those companies may have gone remote just for that period, but then understood this is better for our bottom line, not to rent out a huge office building and not to have all these employees come back and forth to the office and then have them travel all around. It's to have them stay home and work from their own home. So there are companies out here that I'm giving you guys that are real companies that pay real money to you, whether they're W-2 or whether they're 1099. I'm really trying to help you guys out. Definitely leave me a comment. Let me know if this helped you out. I got a comment the other day that said, I wish that I found this video sooner on another one of my videos. And I'm just like, I wish that a lot more people thought that they could still get a remote job in 2026. So number 3 is a company called Coalition Technologies, and they are hiring for remote customer service. They also are hiring for a remote digital marketing specialist. I like this company because this company is not just customer service company. And right now their pay range is between $18 to $25 an hour based on your experience. And most of the jobs do not require a degree, like the customer service jobs don't require a degree. I looked this company up on Reddit, and it says that people like this company because they will train you, and they are looking for people who are eager to learn. So they have a paid training. If this company is something that interests you, go ahead and apply. Okay, number 4 is a company that is very, very flexible. They have flexible scheduling. You will be a contractor instead of a W-2 employee. So if flexibility is your thing and you're a busy stay-at-home mom, or you want to transition to a stay-at-home mom, but you still want to make some income and you want it to be flexible, then Live Ops is a good option for you to go ahead and apply. So they have remote customer service positions. They have so many different kind of positions. Just go to their website and check them out. But just know they really pride themselves on their flexibility and the fact that you will be a contractor working with them. So I hope these jobs really helped you guys out. Let me know if you apply for these. Let me know down in the comments what you think about these jobs. Again, subscribe and like so that you are reminded when to come back on Monday for episode 3. Go ahead and click the bell notification. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.